Good afternoon, everyone. The topic for our case study is contribution of biomedical community in India during COVID-19. Amid the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, India has witnessed a massive surge of COVID-19 cases. As of 18 September, 96,424 confirmed cases and 1,174 deaths have been reported from 35 states and union territories in India. India has increased its testing rate and has markedly strengthened the healthcare sector to combat COVID-19. MyLab Discovery Solutions in Pune became the first to develop RT-PCR kits for COVID-19 in India. In addition to the conventional real-time polymerase chain reaction, the ICMR has advocated the use of other screening tests like TrueNAT and cartridge-based nucleic acid amplification test. According to ICMR's website, the organization has evaluated 223 RT-PCR kits, out of which 113 have been found to be satisfactory. These include kits jointly developed by the Mumbai-based iGenetic Diagnostics and Biogenomics.
ICMR, NCDIR, WHO Country Office for India and IACR jointly organized a webinar on ethics review of biomedical projects during a pandemic to bring the focus on the need of quality research outcomes and adopting new research methodology to respond to the humanitarian emergencies. Responding to the ethical changes, ICMR developed national guidelines, biomedical and health research for ensuring participants' safety and right at all times. The urgent need to respond to humanitarian emergencies by innovating IT methods. Now, India UN Development Partnership Fund managed by UNOSCE is working rapidly to support the projects by catalyzing transformative recovery. UNDP immediately purchased urgently needed medical ventilators, emergency medical supplies will be purchased and testing capacity expanded. New incinerator projects was implemented by PAHO. During this most challenging time, the India Fund is leveraging the strengths of the UN system to fast-track and implement transformative projects upon the request of the national government.
The development in the test kits. The most common method of testing used in the world right now is the RT-PCR, which stands for reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction. Coronavirus is an RNA virus and hence it needs to be converted into DNA before it can be detected. Another form of testing which is used in India is Feluda test. Feluda is an acronym for FNCAS9 Editor-Linked Uniform Detection Assay. This uses the CRISPR genetic editing technology to identify and target the genetic material of the SARS-CoV-2 that causes COVID-19. This is a very cheap testing method developed in India by the CSIR and the Tata Labs, and it costs only 500 rupees per test.
India is the second worst affected country struck by the pandemic with over 5.4 million confirmed cases. Primarily, 30 different Indian companies started off to produce a vaccine to fight the infection, out of which WHO gave approval to 7 vaccine candidates. 2 of the vaccines, namely Covaxin and Zycovir from Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech International Limited (BBIL), and Ahmedabad-based pharma giant Zydus Cadila are in Phase 2 and Phase 1 trial respectively. Serum Institute of India started the Phase 3 trial of Covishield, an Oxford and AstraZeneca pharmaceuticals experimental vaccine, this Monday at Sassoon Hospital. It is expected that the institute will begin the trial of another COVID-19 vaccine candidate developed by Novavax next month. With this, we conclude our case study. Thank you so much for watching.